This mesmerizing view could be yours. Welcome to Tree House at Dairy Farm. I'm Vivienne.
I'm Anna.
Let's explore. Tree House is located on Chestnut Avenue, an ecosystem of its own. It's within walking distance of a 24-hour NTUC, bakery and numerous dining options. Nearby schools include Bukit Panjang Primary and the German European School. With Cashew, Hillview and Bukit Panjang MRT stations nearby, plus easy access to the BKE, you're well connected.
Tree House boasts full facilities for all ages.
From the children's pool and playground to the 50-meter slab pool and 2 tennis courts, there's something for everyone. Host parties at the barbecue pits or clubhouse and work out in a rare 2-story gym.
This 1152 square feet offers a wide living and dining space, perfect for relaxation and entertainment. Large windows flood the area with natural light, ideal for morning coffee with breathtaking views.
For the chef of the family, if you like an open concept kitchen, but yet you want an enclosed kitchen, this will definitely be your dream come true. This unit offers 3 beautifully appointed bedrooms, with the master suite featuring a luxurious ensuite bathroom and stunning views. Don't you think this home is ideal for families who enjoy tranquility and convenience?
Grab a coffee from the Starbucks self-service kiosk before leaving for work.
If this property catches your eye, we love to see you soon.